When a hurricane strikes, vulnerable populations can be faced with more challenges than others. Consider these tips to protect those most at risk during hurricane season. Vulnerable populations include people who face additional challenges in responding to and recovering from a storm. Here are some examples of who may be included. Lack of transportation, communication challenges, and disruptions to medical treatment can make it more difficult for these groups to evacuate, shelter safely, and recover after a storm passes. One of the main ways to help keep vulnerable populations safe during storm season is to lean into community and build a support system. This can include timely relaying of important information about a storm or offering help with evacuation or shelter. If you or someone you know is reliant on dialysis or oxygen, make sure to have a backup generator or battery in case the electricity goes out. Keep at least a week's supply of medication on hand, along with a copy of any prescriptions. Planning and having a support system can help make emergencies more manageable. AAA offers multiple tools that can be helpful during storm season, from roadside assistance to discounts on hotels. Visit our website to learn more.